we go. That's what we want to hear. What's up, everybody? So today I'm painting the engine bay on the EF. Already got some primer on it. I'll walk you through some of that. And then there's a little bit of some black that I did, the accents, like your subframe, yada yada, different stuff like that. That's the kind of stuff you want to be black. I'll show you where I'm at. All right, so here we go. I got basically everything cleaned up on the engine bay. As you can see, everything that I wanted sprayed black is black. Every bit of this is spray can paint. I've got that piece of the wiper cowl marked off because that's going to be black as well. When you look off into the wiper cowl, I hate when you look off on these EFs and you can see what color the car used to be versus what color the car is now, where nobody really took the time to kind of black that out. You know, you want to kind of black it out, make it disappear. The one thing that you will notice is that I am taking the time to mask everything off. You'd be surprised where the spray paint ends up. It's so light, it's so fine, it'll get everywhere that you don't cover up. So when I get ready to do even just this one little piece right here, every bit of this is going to get covered up. As you can see, like on the windshield, that little bit of overspray. Of course, this windshield, we already talked, needs to be replaced. But if that was one that I truly cared about, I would have masked every bit of that off. So basically, everything in there that I wanted to be black is sprayed black. Same thing here. Also did the inside of these headlight buckets, just, I don't know, just makes it look a little cleaner. I did that wiper cowl, still need to mask it off. Now, unfortunately, the way I welded this mount here, and there's probably several other ways I could have went about doing it, but that was just the quickest, easiest at the moment. So I knocked it out. One thing that I do want to add, I went ahead and I taped off my different fuel line hoses. You can see where I've already tucked my brake lines. Just trying to clean everything up best I can under there without getting too crazy complicated with it. You know, spending months on months just cleaning everything up. With that being said, let's get to this. Yep, so there it is. I feel really good about this. Like I said, there's a few places I wasn't really happy with. Again, that's one of them. I'm like, come on, Krylon. You're killing me over here. I'm gonna get to the bottom of that. Probably give them a call Monday. See what they got to say. I'll update y'all on what I find out. Now, again, how I was talking about this stuff gets everywhere. Look at this. This is overspray. I can get this off of here. Again, this windshield's got to be replaced anyways, but I know you're probably like, oh, look, you got some on the body. Well, the body's got some work to do. This trim right here, let it come up with just a little bit of lacquer thinner. Just kind of give it a wipe down. In fact, I'll show you what I mean. Oof. What do you think about that? Clean that side up. Not clean. Again, the lacquer thinner didn't hurt this. Ain't like it sat on it for real long. Don't want to really saturate your rubber, but just kind of hit it. Kind of hit and lick. Now I'll do the same thing over here. In fact, get a fresher spot on my rag here. All right, here we go. Jesus. Now, if these look like water spots right here, they are inside, and it's because they are water spots. Just like that. Got shop rags all over the place. Whatever. But yeah, not too bad. Yeah, I'm not gonna lie. I can't wait till this whole thing is that color right there. It's gonna look pretty good. So, I guess what I'll do is I'll give it a couple of days to really cure out. Weather permitting, I'll be throwing some 2K urethane over what you see right here. When I do this time, all the black's getting coated. Everything is getting coated. 2K urethane. Basically, you can spray paint anything with just about any spray paint, provided you give it enough time to cure out, enough time to just relax, and then you got a 2K urethane afterwards. Without the 2K urethane, and actually, I'm not gonna lie to you, you wanna shoot that out of a gun. Yeah, so I'm not about to lie to you and tell you that spray can will get you professional results. And even if you do, because I know there's YouTube videos on it, and don't get me wrong, they're pretty good for the most part, but what about months down the road? Let's say 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 months down the road, a year, 2 years, it's just not gonna, you know what I'm saying? Like, There's just no substitute for shooting that 2K urethane out an actual gun, laying it down. Again, spray can paint's just way too thin. I'm sorry, it is. I mean, but again, this is what you get from spray can. Not bad. Really not bad at all. The 2K urethane is what's going to keep it looking this glossy for years to come. Alright, here we go. That's what we want to hear.